4th Estate, I'm glad to meet you and make this important announcement about our party, the People's Party. After consultation with the party membership of 10 provinces, we have decided to rebrand ourselves in order to reflect our ideology and core values that make us a unique political party in this country. We realized that there were limitations that the name People First had in reflecting and selling the national democratic ideology and core values we espouse as the party. As National Democrats, we are guided by our main core values of constitutionalism, inclusivity, devolution of power, and equity, among others. We agree that the previous identity did not put to the fore these important persuasions. Our National Executive Council, NEC, the highest decision-making body in between National People's Elective Conventions, in a meeting held yesterday, the 2nd of March 2017, resolved that from today, the 3rd of March 2017, our brand name be National People's Party, NIP. NPP. We derive our uniqueness in that we are National Democrats who believe in the inclusivity of races, tribes, regions, gender, to name but a few, but that identity with our common vision as a political party. In line with our core value of inclusivity, we remain committed to a coalition of progressive and democratic opposition forces to ensure we end the autocratic rule at elections in 2018. To that end, as the National People's Party, we would like to inform our members, supporters, sympathizers, well-wishers, and Zimbabweans from all political divide that we remain committed to the cause of a democratic Zimbabwe. We remain builders of Zimbabwe in peace. We are the future. We have the solution. God bless you, Dr. Joyce Teurairopa Mujuru. Thank you.